Hey everybody! It's Lawn Dog Outdoor coming to you live from the past. It's September 7th, 2021 right now. And we out here in Texas, in the Frio River. Old Baldy up there. I'm about to show you real quick how to make a jambalaya Cajun style. First off, you gotta get that pot hot. Get the pot hot, put some oil in it. And then you're gonna brown some meat. Start out with bacon. Everything's good with bacon. Season that. Ooh, that smells good. All right, the next thing going in there is some pork shoulder. But if you're from Boston, they call that the butt. And it's marinated in some of Anthony's Creole butter. Anthony, that's Tony Sashry. Brown that in some seasoning like that. Let it brown. Stir it until it's brown. All right, the next thing that goes in, you're gonna brown the poulet. But just the hips, some cubed hips. And by hips, I just mean the thighs, no legs. Also marinated in Anthony's Creole butter. Oh yeah, brown them chicken thighs. All right, the next thing that's going in is some sausage. That's some Cajun smoked sausage with some green onions in there. And a lot of people like to put the green onions in after everything is done. Some people don't like green onions, so I just buy the sausage with the green onions in it, and I don't tell them. And again, we're gonna season that. All right, the next thing that's going in, that's the Cajun Trinity with the gangster. That's onions, bell peppers, and celery. And the gangster, that's just garlic. Now look, we're gonna brown this until it's dark. All right, now we're gonna put all the meat back in. Mix that. All right, the next thing is a can of cream of mushroom soup. And the next thing is the secret sauce. But you know what? It's a secret. If you want it, you're gonna have to pay me. Chicken broth, beef broth. Mix all that up, bring it to a boil. The next thing you do is you add your rice. All right, you see that? You see how the rice is coming to the top and floating like that? That means it's time. You're gonna back off your fire and you're gonna let it steam out for 20 minutes. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. It's time to fluff that rice. Oh yeah. All right, it's gonna be finished now. Fluff it one last time and we're good to go. Oh yeah. Bye-bye.